This week, we're gonna go over cleaning that annoying faucet spray. You know, when you first turn it on and you take a bath. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick way to do that without using any chemicals, just stuff you have in your kitchen pantry. Come take a look at this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at all that. Ooh, I know. This is our hard water deposits. Pretty nasty stuff. All right, easy guys, simple ingredients, everything you guys have in your pantry right now. We're gonna go ahead and use some white distilled vinegar. Get yourself an old toothbrush and some kind of container to let your faucet sit in it for a while. So, real quick, these are pretty much all the same. You wanna pull your faucet out, unscrew it, and give it a little tug. Make sure you have your O-ring. Sometimes they get stuck in there. Another thing too that I recommend doing is making sure you have enough slack on this, or a good idea would probably be to run some tape around it and actually tape it to the faucet. You don't want this to go in there and then you have to go through the hassle of fishing it out. So, real easy, simple. Go ahead and get your vinegar. Fill it in your container. And then you want to add some water. So we'll go ahead and we'll just do this. That's a little much, but that's fine. You kind of just want to do a 50-50 mix of warm water and vinegar. That's good. We'll set that here. Again, make sure you have enough slack, guys. You don't want to have to fish that out. It's pretty annoying. And now we'll just go ahead and drop our faucet in the warm water and vinegar. And now the fun part, just wait. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then we'll come back for the next step. All right, now, it's been sitting for about 40 minutes, and let me bring this up so you guys can see this, but just from sitting, you can see the nasty gunk that's just falling off this faucet now. So real quick, remember, you wanna grab a toothbrush that you're never, ever gonna use again. And just go ahead and start scrubbing the faucet. And you're gonna see all this stuff coming out. Oh man. Real nice scrub, get in there and try to get all these little chunks out. Don't forget the other side. It gets deposits in here too. You can, ooh, yeah, see that? You can see all of the nasty hard water deposits just coming out. Easy, easy. No chemicals, no nothing. Just some distilled vinegar. And now take a look at that. Look at that. We didn't even see that color before. It was so covered. Clean, perfect. Now let's go ahead, rinse it off really quick. Back in, tighten it up. Look at that. Simple, quick, and easy, guys. No chemicals, just some vinegar and a toothbrush. All right, everybody, just like that, we got a clean faucet now, and we're not getting a shower when we're trying to do the dishes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell, guys, so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Stay tuned for next week's 5-minute quick fix where we'll be going over resealing our windows. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.